Hello everyone, this is Xiang Gu from Peking University. It is my honor to present our work, Role Exchange Playing, an exploration of role-playing effects for anti-bullying in immersive virtual environments. School bullying is a very serious social problem that has been reported all around the world. Many solutions had been proposed to reduce school bullying, including training all adults who come in contact with students, teaching bullies how to resolve conflicts, increasing students' empathy. Media-related computer systems are also employed for anti-bullying, especially virtual reality systems. However, these systems generally focus on developing participant skills to stop bullying rather than moral education that can eliminate their bullying motivation or impulse. Therefore, we propose a novel approach using immersive virtual reality technology to deepen students' morally correct understanding of bullying and promoting prosocial behavior in the fight against bullying. The core technique used in our system is role playing. Generally, a participant only plays one specific role in such systems. Through immersive virtual reality experiences, users can convert themselves to their virtual roles and gain corresponding feelings. However, the traditional one role playing does not guarantee to yield positive effects and may even lead to adverse effects. Inspired by reversal strategy employed in psychodrama therapy, we designed our novel role exchange playing strategies, where a user plays two opposite roles successively in the same event. Role reversal strategy has been proved to help a person gain insight to themselves or another and deepen their emotional experience. For role exchange playing, we try to explore whether two opposite roles played by one user can have a better effect on cognition or psychology issues than the traditional role-playing paradigm. In our bully simulation system, there are three perspectives from which participants can experience associated roles in the immersive virtual environments. The bully's perspective, the victim's perspective, and the bystander's perspective. To be specific, our experiment is a between group design where participants were randomly assigned to one of these four groups. For the participants in the former two groups, they would play both bully and victim roles during the role playing in our experiment. The latter two groups, the single victim role and the single bystander role, were introduced as control groups. Participants in the former two groups experienced role exchange, but in a different order. Participants in the latter two groups will not perform role exchange. Based on this design, we present two hypotheses. First, the role exchange playing between the bully and the victim can improve users' cognition about bullying and promote supportive behaviors. Second, the effect of role exchange playing is greater than that of 1PP and 3PP groups. When playing a specific role in our virtual reality system, each participant should experience two bullying scenarios. First, the classroom, and next, the restroom in a fixed order. To analyze the resultant effect, we introduced two questionnaires, bullying questionnaire and virtual reality experience questionnaire. Participants were required to complete the bullying questionnaire both before and after the VR experience, and complete the experience questionnaire only after the experiment. Three factors were extracted from our original bullying questionnaire using exploratory factor analysis. For convenience, we named the factors opinions, commitments, and responses. Here are some example items from our 23-item questionnaire. Using repeated measures ANOVA, we found that B2V and B2P groups significantly increased participants' empathy and encouraged their supportive behavior. Also, 1PP has no significant effect, whereas 3PP has. Similarly, B2V and V2P groups significantly modulate participants' social cognitive process and help develop more morally correct opinions on bullying. 1PP group has no significant effect, while 3PP has. In addition, participants in B2V and V2B groups both show increased commitment to stop bullying, while participants in 1PP and 3PP groups do not show such a significant increase. From virtual reality experience questionnaire, we wanted to analyze participants' experience difference in different groups. The ANOVA result indicated no statistically significant difference among the 4 groups. From the analysis of bullying questionnaire, we can see in all subscales, both B2V and V2B groups show significant improvement, which supports hypothesis 1. In addition, there is no significant difference between group B2V and B2B, which indicates that the order of role exchange has no significant effect. However, 1PP group show no significant improvement, which supports hypothesis 2, but is different from the literature. Here, we infer that the effective alteration of individual cognition through role-playing should be a compound experience of all key roles in the event, especially for adolescents whose moral and legal concepts have not yet been fully formed. Similar to our role exchange paradigm, 3PP can significantly alter participants' cognition of bullying and promote supportive behaviors. Here, we consider 3PP exposure as a degenerate form of role exchange, which implies that 3PP works like a role exchange paradigm, but is less effective. More precisely, users who experience 3PP can witness both bully and victim's behavior in the virtual scenario, and thereby invoke the dual bully-victim sensation indirectly, even not bullying others or being bullied directly. As a result, the effect size for 3PP is smaller than role exchange groups, and 3PP does not have a significant effect on commitments, according to the post hoc. In this study, we propose a novel role-playing paradigm, role exchange play. Along with an anti-bullying VR system, the role exchange paradigm could achieve a better effect than traditional role-playing methods in situations where participants had no prior first-hand experience associated with the virtual roles they played. Therefore, it can educate those minors and somewhat successfully prevent the participants from becoming problem juveniles in real life. In the future, we will also explore a role-playing VR system to develop a sense of justice, responsibility, and empathy in students, and therefore further reduce campus bullying. We will also develop a VR system to help relieve the emotional uncomfortableness of the former bullies on campus. Thank you for listening.